Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2025 Nautique GS22. The GS22 is your all-around boat. Excellent for wake surfing, wakeboarding, and skiing. As you can see, this is the nice classic white hull all the way around. We've got the bimini up top, we've got speakers, we've got the strapless board racks up there. This tower does go down and it does go backwards when you do put it down. And come to the back of the boat. The GS's do have nice seats in the back. You've got the nice swim platform with the sea decking. We added, obviously you have the NSS plates on here, and then we did include the steer assist as well. So lots to see on the interior. Why don't you join me aboard? All right, welcome to the interior of this GS22. This is the Mojave Brown with the white accents and white stitching. As you can see, we've got nice sea deck all the way through. Walk on the sea deck all the way through so you're not stepping on your cushions. There's nice storage underneath these seats here. We got the hard tanks underneath, all subfloor. We did add the extra ballast in the back as well. We do have the two pair of speakers up on the tower along with the bimini. We do have the pull-out bench. You've got seats that fold up right there, but you can see you can have it in this U-shape seating. As I pan around, you can see the nice LED lights. You can change the colors of those lights if you'd like. You've got places to put your cell phones on that side and on that side as well. We've got storage underneath that seat. And then we come to the well-appointed helm. You got the awesome helm seat here with the nice bolster seat as well. We've got the link pan array system with an easy-to-use software from Nautique, built by Nautique. So super easy to use there, or you can just click right there as well. Then when we come to the bow of the GS22, it's a nice deep bow. They do have an option to put a bow filler in there if you'd like. GS22, awesome boat. Great boat if you like to do all sorts of different types of things. Love to have you come out and take a look.